Hello, all my friends. It's Mrs. Green here, and today I'm going to need you to get out your math journals and a pencil, and I'm going to need you to get out your hundreds chart and a dry erase marker and something to erase with. And the first thing that we're going to do is talk about how we can count by fives and tens and even twos by looking at our hundreds chart. So let's get ready. So I kind of wanted to just show you how you can look at this hundreds chart right here, and it helps you learn how to skip count numbers because it has the patterns that go on straight lines. So let's first just count by tens. We know we start with 10. Now we just have to count all the way down this column. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it's super easy to count with a hundreds chart in front of you. Now, if we wanted to count by fives, we need to use the 5 column and the 10 column, and we just go back and forth between those two columns. Are you ready? Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. There's also another way we can use it. We can count by twos, and we do that by skipping every other one. So ready? It goes like this. 2, then we skip over the next one and go to that one. So it goes 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. So you see it's all the columns that have twos, fours, six, eights, and tens. That's how we can count by twos. I just wanted to go over that and show you that's one more way we can use the pattern of our hundreds chart to help us skip count. So now I want you to get out your journal, and we are going to turn it to page 7, okay? And it says, there are 5 leprechauns. Leprechauns, oh my. 3 of them are boys. How many leprechauns are girls? Now let's see. I'm just going to make, first of all, circle my, I'm sorry the light just went out, but we'll just turn this light on. See if it helps. That's a little better. We're going to circle our number words. And our first number word is, there are 5 leprechauns. Let's try another light here too. Okay, there are 5 leprechauns. 3 of them are boys. Okay, so let's circle that, number 2. How many leprechauns are girls? Well, I have to think about this. Now, look, it's going to be a subtraction problem. Now, we need to underline what our question is. The question is, how many leprechauns are girls? Now, we have to figure out what the action is. Since there are 5, 3 of them are boys, how many leprechauns are girls? So we need to find out how many leprechauns. So that's our action we need to find out. So let's figure this out. Let's just read the question and draw a picture of it. So it says, there are 5 leprechauns. So I'm just going to make 5 stick people. These are going to be my leprechauns. I'll even put a leprechaun hat on them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leprechaun people. All right. 3 of them are boys. So out of these leprechauns, 3 of them are boys. So I'm going to put a B on their face. That's a boy, 1. That's a boy, 2. And that's a boy, 3. Then the question is, how many leprechauns are girls? Well, now we can look at our picture and see that here's our 5 leprechauns. 3 of them are boys. How many are girls? There's 2 left over, so these must be the girls. So I put G's in there. So now, how are we going to do this subtraction problem that they want us to do? Because see the minus sign? That means it's a subtraction or a takeaway problem. So let's start with, there are 5 leprechauns, right? We know that 3 of them are boys. So we're going to take away 3. So 5 minus 3 equals, and you can put your fingers out and do it. 5 minus 3, 1, 2, 3, leaves 2. Or we can look at this. 5 minus 3 equals 2. So that's how we get the answer to that problem. Now this page, this says, write the number that comes before and after the given number. So I'm going to use my hundreds chart again for this page. So I'm going to find the number 75 on my hundreds chart. So here's the 70s, there's 75. I need the number that comes before it, 74, and the number that comes after it, 74, 75, 76. Okay, let's look at this one. We have to find the number that comes before 46. Let's see, here's 46. The number that's right before it is 45. Now I think I can do this one without looking at the number chart. 45, 46, 47. Okay, now here we are. 31. So let's find our 30s. Here's our 30s. The number that comes before 31. Can't go this way. There's nothing there, so I have to go back up to this line. The number before 31 is 30. And now we can just count to find our other number. 30, 31, 32. Good job. Now 89. Find 89. Here's 89. The number before 89 is 88. So 88. Now if we're counting, 88, 89, 90. All right, I'm going to have you do the last 2 yourself. You have to find the number that comes before 16 and the number that comes after 16 and the number that comes before 22 and the number that comes after 22. Remember, you can use your hundreds chart to help you. Good job, guys.